matagal na ho ang maakban. Matagal na rin, wala nang kumpisa may maakban na kagad. Yan. Sinong bokalista? Nasa loob ba? Yan. Ito.
Sound checking.
Oh, yan. Sige.
Sound check. Sound.
Sino yung bokalista? Tatlo kayo bokalista? O sige. O ako nag-check pa sila. Pakilala mo naman yung mga bandmates mo. Yan.
So, I'm the club MIC or Michigan in charge of Backpack. I'm First Class Rivera from General Santos City. And here is First Class Katapa also from General Santos City. First Class Aliperio, our saxophone from General Santos City. Second Class Ipe. And First Class Fred Luces. First Class Briones from Sarangani Province. So,
Sa drums.
yeah, I think we're ready to go, sir.
Sino sa drums?
Sa drums, second class Gulan.
Yan.
So, the first class will have 3 bars. So, we're graduating class of 2024 this December.
Wow, good luck. And congrats.
And second class men are maybe in a few months now, they're going to their shipboard training.
Nakakatuwa naman. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan mo natin. Maakban!
So,
Dahon na laya, Bisaya po rin mo.
Daw na laya ba? Para pa.
so alam niyo po yung kanta, friends ko. If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be the nights would seem so long. With you I see forever oh so clearly. I might have been in love before, but I never felt this wrong. Our dreams are young and we both know the take is where we wanna go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you.